Configuring the blueprint. The target machine blueprint is a set of instructions on how to launch a target machine for the selected source machine. The blueprint settings will serve as the base settings for the creation of the target machine. To access the blueprint, click on a machine name from the Machines page and navigate to the Blueprint tab. We will now briefly review the various blueprint settings. Machine type. Select the type of target machine from the drop-down menu. Select the Copy Source option if you want CloudEndure to launch the best matched target machine for your source machine. Launch type. Select whether you would like to launch the machine on demand, as a dedicated instance, or as a dedicated host. Subnet. You can select an existing subnet or create a new subnet. Security groups. Select a security group for the subnet. Private IP. Select whether you want to allocate a private IP to each newly launched target machine. Select the Copy Source option if you want CloudEndure to match the private IP of the target machine to that of the source machine. Elastic IP. Select whether you would like to use an elastic IP. The elastic IP is a fixed public IP that the cloud allocates. Public IP, ephemeral. Select whether you would like to assign an ephemeral public IP to the target machine. This option is only available if an elastic IP is not used. Placement group. Select a placement group to associate with the machine. IAM role. Select an IAM role for the machine if you would like to associate it with a particular IAM in AWS. The Use Existing ID option is only used for specific edge cases. Learn more in our documentation. Initial target instance state. Select whether you want the initial target instance to be in a started state or in a stopped state. Tags. Add a limited number of optional AWS tags. Disks. Select the volume type for your target disk. You can select standard, SSD, or provisioned SSD. Click Save Blueprint to save your changes.